Head we can write here, follow the style tag, then use the body here. Let's use here a tag called UL tag, and for UL tag you can keep some li. Under the li also keep a href, add here template2.html, template2, 3, 4, 5 we can add here, 3, 4, then 5. Change the text also, template2, template3, template4. Okay, next after this we have to write the CSS so that this navigation will look better. We can go here as first write for the body tag and apply some margin 50 pixel. So left, right, top, bottom, all the side. Inside the body, the gap will come for 50 px. Next, after that, come down, follow the UL tag. For UL tag, apply the padding. Maybe 20 px you can give. Margin 0 px you can give. No any gap from other side. And text hyphen align as center, so that all the content of the UL will print in the middle. All the content of UL will print in the middle. Okay, hope ready. Second, you have to write the CSS for UL, and inside the UL we have the LI. So here UL will work like as a parent and LI will work like as a child. UL will work as a parent tag and LI will be working like as a child tag. right? Now for UL Li, what should happen is the Li should be displayed in inline. It should print in one line. And here also the padding we need to apply. The padding we need to apply by 20 px. You can write, no problem. And then here for the UL, you are not given any background color. Apply a background color also, maybe pink color or any color. Yeah. Next, after that, check now how it's looking. Is that all are coming the same line or going to the new line? Come in the one line. Basic link. Okay, not very. Now inside the UL, you have the LI, correct? Under the LI, there is a E tag. For that, color should be green color. Font size increase. Font size 20 pixel. And the underline is coming. We can remove that using the property called text decoration none. Using this property, you can remove the underline. Text decoration none. Underline will get removed. Hope written. Save the file. Check once. Let me know. Looks similar or something else. Hope everyone is following as well as you are on the track. right? Hope link is ready. Similar or anyone different? Oh, this file why I have opened. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, here is the code. In case mismatch, please check that. Maybe comma is missing. The comma is nowhere, only semicolon I have written. Now we can apply some effect. Effect in the sense when the mouse will touch the LI, the background should get changed. When the mouse will touch the, you can say uh, text, the color should get changed. Those things we are going to add now. Okay, so we will go here and again we will write a CSS here. Under the UL, there is a LI, correct? Colon hover, over, HOVER. What is that? This is called a one kind of event. When it will fire, if you will touch the LI using the mouse, if you touch the LI using the mouse, okay, if you touch the LI using the mouse, then okay, if you touch the LI using the mouse, then this event will fire. In that background of the LI, the background of LI, we are going to change to orange color. So as soon as your mouse will touch the LI, using the mouse, colon, LI colon hover, don't give a space. Okay, as soon as your touch mouse will touch the LI, immediately what will happen is, immediately the background of LI will get changed. The background of LI will get changed. Let us check that. That we have to increase the padding. There is a least gap from the top. Wherever your mouse will go, the color will get changed. Little more padding you have to add in the P tag. 22 pixel you can add. 2 pixel more than UL. 2 pixel more than UL tag. Okay, 2 pixel more than the UL tag. Now let us go here and move again the mouse and see whether it's covering the full. See, it's covering full now. Little okay. That also can be managed. We can increase to 23 or maybe 24. It's okay now. You can make 23 or maybe 24. 24 is also fine. Right. Next, after that, navigation part is okay. Come down. Below we will display some different type of blocks. After the UL tag. Anyone have any error? Let me know. We can share with the CSS code and then after that it will work. If any error, so hope there is no any error. Come down after the UL tag. Right there, IMG tag. In your current folder, you have to keep one photo. Suppose 4 photo I am calling. So in our current folder, that is called internal CSS folder, we required 4 photos with the name of 1, 2, 3, 4. With the name of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with the name of 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the photo in your current folder. Which folder? Internal CSS folder. Keep some photo, rename as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and check if it is the PNG. We can call here PNG only. If it is JPG or JPG, we can call here JPG. I will share you some photos as well. These 4, 5, 6 photos I will be sharing in your chat. According to need, you can download it. If you have already, then no problem. In case photo is not there, you can use these photos. Okay, so many photos came to your chat. Right, hope photos are downloaded or arranged. Check your page now. Big photo will come without any controlling, without any CSS. The photo size will be big size. Download the photo, keep in current folder, save the file, run it. See, big size photo is coming or not. If the big size photo comes, we can work on that and we can make it smaller. Big size photo appear. Other people also say yes, no. Photo I have shared in the chat. If you are able to download, okay. Not able to download, take download some photos from internet, JPG photo. Keep in the internal CSS folder. Call here. Then run the page. You will see the big size photo will appear in the browser. If that is happening, you are on the track. Well, multiple people said yes. Come to the CSS now. For this image, write a class. Class equal to mypic. Class equal to mypic. Mypic. Everywhere. Because we want all the photos should look similar. All the photos should look similar. So why to write ID? Write the class for that. It will be much helpful. So class is written. Now write the CSS for that. MyPic dot MyPic. Height of the photo should be 200 pixel. Width should be how much you can give. First, give margin 1%. Margin 1%. So one photo will leave in the left 1% and right also 1%. Okay, one photo will leave in the left side 1% as well as right side also 1%. So how much it will take? 2%, 1% in the left side and 1% in the right side. Definitely it will become as a 2%. Next, after that, total how many photo you have? 4 photo. So 100%, if you divide by 4, 100% divided by 4, 25% will come for each photo. 100%, what is that? I'm talking about the width. I'm talking about the width of the photo. Width of the photo will be not width of the photo, width of the screen. Width of the screen will be 100%. In that 100%, you are going to divide into 4 parts. Look at here. From beginning to last, from beginning to last, from beginning to last. Width is how much? 100%. In 100%, we want to display 4 photo. But you can see there is some gap in the right side, gap in the left side. Become a non-equal. Margin we given. Now write the width also. 25% should be the actual width, but it will not take 25%. Reason already you have given the margin 1%. So maximum you can give here 23%. 23% you can give the width for one photo. But 23% will also not work. I will guide you why. Okay, now come down and see that. 3 only came, fourth one gone to the name line. Because even by default between two photos there will be 3 pixel gap. So write 22.5%. It will fit properly. 22.5%. It will fit properly. Now you can see 3 photos should come in, 4 photos should come in one line. Check now. Let me show you. 4 photos should come in one line now. This gap is coming in the right side because of margin. The gap is coming in the right side and left side because you are given 1% margin because of that. right? Getting 4 photos. Hope everyone have completed. Next, after that, we will use another section. The photo area is over. Come down. Write a p tag. P tag. Inside the p tag, add some text before line of the text. And for this p tag, give ID equal to about. ID equal to about. Give ID equal to about. Written about block. Now under the about block, some text is coming. We have to decorate that. We have to change the look and feel. We have to change the font size. We have to change the color. Something should better. Okay, hope ready. Come up. Now write the CSS for about. Has about. You will add inside called padding 30 pixel or maybe 40 pixel. Background is a blue color. Text as a white color. Text white color. Font size 20 px and check ones. Margin top 40 pixel. Overwritten. Check now. So look like this, but the font size is okay. Color should be different. Color should be okay. It should be color, not text white. I have written the class for the messages. Should be color as white. Color should be white color. Color should be in white color.
Sir, margin color is incorrect.
Come again. White color here. Background is white color. Ready? Next, after that, after this section, we can create one another section. That will be just simple as a H1. H1 ID equal to help 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 desk plus 91. Okay. Help desk. Now for this help desk, we'll write the CSS and we'll make the look and feel better. Come up, write the CSS for the help desk. Has help desk. In help desk, text align should be center. It should come in the middle. It should have margin from all the side, 20 pixel. The font size will be font size, 40 pixel nearly. Text align center, margin 20 pixel, font size 40 px, and after that, color, dark red color, dark red. Dark red. Check now. So look like this. We can increase little more font size. Either 50 or 60. Sufficient space is there. Hope the font size is increased and your page will look like this. After that, again come and display 3 photo in one line. Try writing some CSS for that. Display 3 photo in one line. Write a class called 3. Do something for that and share the code also with me. So one small quick task for you. You need to display total 3 photo in one line. You can use the CSS. Class name is called 3. Class name is 3. Okay, cool. 2% replied. Class 3 width something, height something. Okay, but 24% how it will come here? 24% width how it will come? I have calculated. 3 photo was supposed to come in one line. Okay, so you are given the width How much? 24%. 100% divided by 3, what will come? 100% if you divide by 3, what will come? 31.33 will come. In that, you have to minus 1%. Left 1%, right. This will become as 2%. Okay, 2%. So 33.33 minus 2%. How much? 31.33. Okay, if you leave 0.33, it will be make up that 2 pixel gap, default one. Then it will give you 3 photo in one line. Let me check once. See, 3 photo is coming in one line. So a screen width is always how much? 100%. A screen width is always 100%. Hope ready.
Sir, sir, I have given 31%, but some of the space is remaining.
You can give some 31.1%.
Okay, sir.
You can give 31.1%. The by default between two photo, there will be gap of how much? Okay, by default between two photo, there will be a gap of you can say total 2 to 3 pixel. That depend on browser. How much? 2 to 3 pixel. Now for that 2 to 3 pixel, we are giving 0.5% as a default space. Okay, because of that we have calculated how much? 31%, and 0.3% we have left. Okay, so let it be that for the 2 pixel of what is the by default gap between two photos.
Sir,
Right.
still the space is remaining.
Increase the margin. Increase the margin and let's say
Okay. No difference, sir.
where you are finding the difference. By default, where you are finding the difference? Here in the left side.
No, sir, on the right side.
Increase the gap. How much width you are given?
31.1, sir.
Send me the code. I asked to increase that. 31.1 you have increased to 2.
35, sir.
No, you try and do that. That is nothing like fixed number. You can try and check. Okay.
Whatever I give, it is remaining the same. Sir, shall I share my screen?
Not share the screen. Send your code what you have written. Send your code what you have written. I will guide you. I will see in my system what is happening. Hope we are sharing the code.
Okay. Yes, sir.
In the chat box, you have to share the code. Are you sending that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sharing one second.
It's a half-minute work. It took long time. Even not half-minute, just copy and paste. I have asked to send the CSS code, not the HTML code, only CSS code. Send only CSS code what you have written.
So she gave a margin 3%.
Hmm?
She gave margin 3%. That's why.
CSS code where it is. Margin 3%, how can I give? Now, how you calculated? This margin 3%, how can I calculate? You give 3%. Here, if I give here margin 3%, what will happen? 35 into 3, how much will come? 35 into 3, how much? Without thinking, you did calculation.
105.
105.
3, 105. Total width is 100%. You are taking 105%. How it will work? See, it will be something like this. See, it came here. And that also, what is that? Semicolon is missing here after 3%. Now 2 will come in one line, 1 will go to the next line. So that
Yes.
so 100% of the width divided by 3. Listen, at least 100% of the width divided by 3, how much will come?
33.3.
33.33% will come. In that, if I give margin 1%, what will happen? 1% left, 1% right. So here 2% will get minus. It will come how much? 31 will come. Now 31, let me see whether it is fitting 3 or not. See, 2 is fitting, 1 gone to the new line because number 1, we have calculated 2% and we have not calculated the default space. For that, let me remove this 0.33%. Fitting in one line. Same code was written earlier also. Okay, check that and replace it. Okay, come down after this. Use a tag called footer tag. Footer. Footer is a tag from the HTML5. Footer is a tag from the HTML5. Section is a tag from HTML5. Footer always used to create the footer only. Footer always used to create the footer section. It always used to create the footer section. Bottom section of the screen, bottom section of the page. Bottom section of the page will be creating through the footer. Now write a paragraph, keep inside. Some text. This is footer. Now for footer we can write some CSS. the footer we can write some CSS. Come up, footer section. Inside the footer we can write padding of the footer 20 pixel, background of the footer fully green color, and then text align of the footer. Text align will be in the center, and the color of the footer will be as a white. And then height also apply. Height of the footer somewhere 100 pixel. So footer will be organized properly. Writing. Check now what is the appearance of the footer. Oh, height becomes such a big 100% I have given. It should be 100 px. 100 px. So height will become very big. It will be a percentage. Footer is okay this much. Right, footer is coming. So hope looking similar for everyone. Anyone have hair there? Anyone? Any difference or no difference? No difference, right? Okay, cool then. So what we'll do is I will share you some CSS assignment. You can work on that. Basic design, basic layout designing, creating the upper section, bottom section, left section, right section. Okay. Next, after that, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will not log in the morning. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow class we'll have on Saturday, Sunday. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow is like